Today, I'll walk you through on how to mark episodes as played or unplayed in Partyimo. If you're trying to add in some kind of indication, whether you will listen to that podcast or not, you can easily mark them as played or unplayed. So when you finish listening to a podcast, you can mark it as played so that you don't get confused with the episodes list. To do that, let's head over to the Podimo app and then open up the podcast that you're trying to listen to and try to mark as played or unplayed. So I'm inside of this podcast. Now, in order to add in a particular episode as played, you just need to open up the podcast episode. And then here you'll see a three dotted line. You can just tap on this option. And the third option on this menu is the option of mark as played. You can just tap on this option and this episode will be marked as played. To see if it is marked as played or not, you can just tap on the three dotted line again. You're going to see this tick mark, which means you've already listened to this episode. You can repeat the same process with other episodes as well. Now, likewise, the way that you unmark it is tapping on the three dots again and then tapping on mark as played option. This way, the tick mark, which is the white tick mark, will be removed and a default tick mark will be added. So that is the way that you know if you listened or not listened to a particular episode on the podcast episode. That's all it takes in marking episodes as played or unplayed in Podimo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to turn on that notifications so you get notified for more future videos.